All right, it's time for us to make wreaths. Okay, so how do we do it? Let's get started. Again, you know we use the table covers. Okay, and then we're going to cut sheets from the table cover. And so here is one of the sheets. Okay. And we're going to fold this sheet accordion style, going back and forward. And just keep doing it all the way to the end. Okay. And once we finish, we're going to use pipe cleaners. And I cut my pipe cleaner in half for this project. Okay, so half a pipe cleaner. And we're going to wrap it around the middle of this piece. Okay. Now, that's done. So for this wreath, we're going to cut the pieces and on a slant. So cut this side on a slant. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. And then we turn it and we do it on this side. And we do the other side the same way. And I'm going to try to even them out. Some of them didn't cut right. So we're going to put this in the middle. Okay. And then we open it up. We need to move this to be even. So when we open it up, there we go. So and that's how all of them are. We're going to take into a bunch of them. Okay. So we're going to open them up one piece at a time, and there's 4 pieces here. So we're gonna pull them up. And do the same thing on this side here. And just kind of pull them all out so it has a nice little round shape. And then I'm going to kind of squeeze it together. And here we go. So I normally use about 2 to 3 of these tablecloths. And I come out with a bunch of them. So This is the kind of wreaths that I got from the dollar store, okay? And so this is how I start. I decide which rings I'm going to use. So for this project, I'm going to use the very bottom and this one here. So doing one at the bottom, skip to the next one, and skip this. I normally start where there's a line, okay? This pipe cleaner, we're going to take and wrap it around the wire and kind of wrap it around so that it doesn't move, and do a good little tightly pull on it. And go around and around. Okay, that's the first one. Okay, so now I'm going to do a second one, and this time it's going to be on the next ring, and I'm going to again do it by the line here. So I'm going to start where this is on the outer part, and I'm wrapping around. Sometimes I use the floral wires to do this, but for the pipe cleaners hold better onto the wire, and I could wrap it really tight and it doesn't move. And kind of go around the wires of the wreath. This is what I have so far. And then I'm going to continue wrapping and wrapping, okay, until I come to, when I put them together, it's going to start looking like this, okay? See how they're wrapped around? So on this one, I just have this part to complete, okay? So we're going to go ahead and complete this. This is just for saving time as far as not doing the whole thing on the video, okay? So now, I'm gonna start on this wire here and put it, the pipe cleaner around this area here. I'm going to wrap really tight. I hope you can see it really well. I'm not sure if you can see it. It looks like it's something that is showing all right on my part, but hopefully you understand what I'm trying to do here. Okay, and so the next one is going to go right here. Now right here, this section there's no flowers right here. So if you wanted to put a bow right here, a bow can go here, okay? Or some other kind of decoration you can put here. But I'm going to continue to put the flowers so I have a full wreath. So let's go back to here. And just for the sake of time, I'm just gonna put two more. One on here and one here. But probably about four more can probably go in here. So for the sake of time, I'm just gonna wrap this around. I enjoy making wreaths for the different holidays, and this is not something that's too expensive. Okay, the tablecloths, it's about $5 worth of tablecloths, and the wires, you know, they're $1.25. And pipe cleaners, they're also $1 too. So this is a very inexpensive way to make wreaths for the different holiday occasions. Pulling it real tight, it's not gonna move too much. Now, if you do find that it's moving too much, you can put a little tape on it. Like this is moved, so to flatten them all down, you can put a little tape around the little dots here. But once you have them all in together, it's going to be all right. So you put it on your door or whatever, they should stay in place. So this is the first of the wreaths that I'm going to be demonstrating. I hope you enjoy and have fun.